Good morning guys. So today we woke up very late, and right now what I'm doing is I'm going for a trek. It's around 12 kilometers down and 12 kilometers up, around 24 kilometers all total. So let's hope what happens. And yesterday night I was too much tired. I was wet, as I told you that I was wet, and I slipped into that falls. So let's hope for today. Today's climate is very nice. See, it's very nice. All clouds are there, and bit of drop of rain is also there coming. So let's hope and start the trek. So let's go. This is an amazing trek route. You can see we are walking by the forest, and these are pine trees. So these are really nice, and it's a dense forest, guys. And we actually don't want to go inside the forest because there might be snakes and small leopards. So we don't want to risk, so we are walking by the road. While coming up, I'll show you the actual forest inside. See how dense it is and how slopey it is. And it's completely dark, guys. Almost dark because here sunlight is very less, and most of the time it's cloudy, so light is very much less. So this is the road, guys. This is the forest, as I showed you. It's full densed, and we are walking by this road. So this is challenging, guys, and if you are first time climber or an amateur, then I will say don't try this. See, see guys, it's so dense. And we are hitting the roads again. Yo. Again we are taking another forest road, and this one doesn't even have a proper road, so we are walking by the streams. from where the water has passed. We are walking from that side. So this is amazing, guys. ये देखते फोटो नहीं है, तो फोटो नहीं है, ये माझा माझा फोटो. Okay, so this is quite tough. So as I told you guys, if you are amateur in trekking and going, then please don't walk. Then you can play a short pitch cricket, because I don't think if you are playing 6 and 4s, then you will get the ball back once someone hits a 4 or a 6. So that's the thing, guys. So I don't know, that sounds weird or not, but it's really good, guys. So finally we have reached the destination which we were thinking, and it was really fast because we came down from the forest. Now we'll have some rest here. I will have a momo, and then what we'll do is we'll again start walking, and we'll walk up. So this is the place, guys, this one. And I'm not vlogging with the camera just because I don't have autofocus in this one, so that is why I'm not doing that. Okay, so we had momo, but momo was not so good, and we had some chocolates. So right now we are going. We had there that one, and we are walking back right now, and the weather is also nice. Sun is not there and it's cold because clouds are coming in, so it's cold, and we are going back. We had some food and it's chilling, guys, really chilling. So he joined me for the walk. So we came from inside the forest, as you saw before. He was walking behind me and sometimes in front of me. So let's go back. Food in that one. In that one we were sitting. So that was the place. and it's really nice, guys. Let me zoom out. See, in middle of the forest, this place is there. A little bit junction kind of a place. So we are heading back, and these guys are walking with us. He followed us from our hotel till here, and again he is going back. That guy also followed us, and he is coming back again with us. That's really awesome. If you are coming, obviously you will get company of, if you don't get humans company, for sure you will get these guys company, and they are awesome.
It's not forever, at least we are together. I know I'm not alone, I know I'm not alone. Anywhere, whenever, but we're still together. I know I'm not alone, I know I'm not alone.
Walk along the forest. I know I'm very bad in this one. Still, guys, this is an awesome trek, and I think this is the first trek I'm sharing with you guys, because before, what I used to do is I used to trek, but I never did a vlog kind of a thing, because I was not familiar with it, and I was very much young. And I'm sorry if you are getting annoyed with this sound, because we are climbing up and we are losing lots of energy and calories, and the air is thin here, very thin. So this bad road is about to end now, and we will get a proper tarmac road. See, this is the road and the view, obviously. That's awesome. Sorry for my heavy breathing. I'm extremely sorry, guys. So there is a viewpoint here, so we are going again, walking by the forest. I hope there is no snake, otherwise it will be bad, really bad. So it's 1 kilometer inside from the main road, and its name is kind of Tiffin Dara. Okay, and if you guys are familiar with this name, and if I'm pronouncing it wrong, then I'm extremely sorry, guys. Okay, so this is the way. Okay, so I'll show you once we reach up, or if anything is interesting, I'll show you. Okay, so this one is plain right now, and can you see the clouds inside the forest? This is awesome, guys, really awesome. And definitely this is not spooky. Don't even think ghosts are here, so please do not say ghosts are there and blah blah on those things. I have one interesting place to show you guys. Wait.
Look at that place.
Just see this place. Okay. Just see, this is a steep path, okay, and here that one. If anyone falls or anything falls there and inside, and here full down. It's risky, guys, and we can take the risk. And these guys are still with us. See. Okay, so that viewpoint, we didn't found that viewpoint. There was a T and it was really narrow, so we didn't took any chances. That is why we came back again, and we are walking by the road now. Can you see the cloud? So finally we have reached. This is our hotel and we'll be going in right now. So that's done for today. Okay, so finally we are back, and actually we went on a search for hotel. Few of our friends are about to come here, so we wanted to go to a different hotel. So we are actually it took around 1 hour, something like that, to search that hotel, and it was really up in the hills. So that is the reason. Now what I'll do is I'll go and take a bath. After that I'll catch you guys.